Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Today we're putting the emblems on. I'm gonna put the emblems right there. I gotta get this on there. I think I gotta cut these little, get in these little holes and push those in. Hopefully it don't chip up the paint. But I'm gonna get that emblem back on there. Need some double-sided tape. Emblem's going on right there. And we got the one that goes, the Monte Carlo SS in the back. Well, let's see, are they in here? Because I just ordered them. I didn't look in there. So let's see what we got. Oh shit. That motherfucker's tight. Damn. See how that gonna look? Right there. That gonna look dope. Yeah, that shit's gonna look clean as fuck. The red ones match the calibers and all that shit. Yeah, this goes in the back. These two go in the, or these three go in the back. And this goes in the front. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to get these on there. They're gonna look right. Nice and clean.
Can I pull it off? Can I pull it off?
Yeah. That shit look clean as fuck. Nah, it looks retro, baby.
Yeah, so when you put this on, you gotta rub it with like a credit card or some type of flat plastic so you can get all the bubbles out of it, especially when they're thin lettering like this.
Some bubbles over there.
Yeah, well, we can go back over that. Yeah, see, since it's so thin, it's not just a full-on sticker. You have to make sure that you have it on there. Damn, that shit looks clean.
I got some good concepts.
Yeah, you do.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals, baby.
Let me see the plastic again.
Match the calibers, all that. All the little stuff makes the car look good. Every little thing. Make it
Oh, this
look
is
custom.
gonna look it clean.
It's gonna make the car pop out. It's gonna make the car look real nice.
These didn't cost too much, did it?
Nah. I think like 30 bucks or something like that. That's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
They're made for like the 85 and 86 and 87 Monte Carlo SS's.
If I ever get an old school, that's the one I want.
Yeah.
Just making sure there's no bubbles. You can see the bubbles if there are any.
Yeah.
You can see them. fun seeing it.
Yeah.
So the fun part.
That still makes it pop. They should have came on with the Monte Carlo on there like that.
Yeah. I wonder if they're ever gonna make a new one.
Should.
You see all these concepts and you get all excited. You're like, oh, that would be clean.
A lot of people want them to bring them
That
back.
looks better than the other side.
Yeah. See what the other side look like. Yeah, it does. Cause the other side is all the way at this line right here.
Yeah.
Oh well. Looking good. Looking good. I don't know. Y'all let me know which side better. This side. Y'all let me know if this side better. Or if this side is better. They're just a little bit off. The other side is more over here. More over here. This side is more centered. The other side is more over. I don't know, y'all let me know. I don't think it's real bad, but it's more over right here.
So it's bad to you.
It, of course, it's bad to me. But I'm OCD, so y'all let me know what y'all think. That look pretty centered right there.
I don't like this paper that they have on here.
Getting this one on. Chevrolet. Got that on already. Oh yeah.
Excuse me.
Set that baby on fire. It's gonna be looking right. Oh yeah. Red SS Floormaster match. That don't look bad. Looks tight. Yes, I'm trying to convince myself. I gotta get the double side tape, pop this in there, and I gotta put that little hole in there. Put that emblem in there, double sided tape. Look at him. That should look clean as fuck. Sexy. Y'all let me know what y'all think about my little concept going retro. I'm going retro with the badges. This car already got that retro look. You know, like I said before in my previous videos with the gauges. They went more with a retro look with this Monte Carlo. The body lines, all Monte Carlos got these body lines. All of them, since they came out. The body lines on the fenders. Oh shit. Shit's looking good. Fresh. That shit looks clean as fuck. That shit just sets it off. Sets it off. Let me pull this car out of the garage and let's walk around this thing. It's lit up like a Christmas tree. Good thing we don't have to have smog and emissions and inspections and all that in Oklahoma. So I'm good. Wait, let's pull this bad boy out. Let's see what it looked like in the sun. We can walk around it. And y'all can really tell me how y'all think the emblems look. That looks nice. Looks really nice. Oh, by the way, y'all seen the previous videos, I kept the tail lights tinted, but for the headlights, I had to clean them off. Which y'all probably seen in the other video, I cleaned them off. And I just cleared them. Yeah, they still look like shit, but I'm gonna go probably with some custom aftermarket halo LED headlights and tail lights. Yep. Yeah, it makes them look all the way better now. Now it look like we doing something. That's looking good. Oh, I forgot. Let me put that emblem in there, right there. Make sure this is wiped down. I got the sticky tape on there. Already drilled the little holes in there. Well, it was already had like pre-holes in there before I got it, the bumper painted. So I just put a screw in there, open it up. So that's how we're gonna put it on there. Not coming out. There you go. Already makes it look better. Already. Got all my emblems on there. Like I tell you all the time, man, everything's for sale. Everything's for sale. I just have fun fixing them up, cleaning them up, bringing them back to life. Bringing it back to life. When I first got it, it was all dirty back here. It's all nice looking. All that. I've been driving this car as a daily. I got the Corvette and the Silverado all parked up at the house. That's looking nice. Looking right, looking good. But yeah, that's how you install these emblems. Put them little emblems on there, the decal logos, the Monte Carlo SS. Yep, so just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Peace.